Whoa. Not a bad idea. Oh, man, I can't go fishing or surfing. Well, if I have to stick to the indoors, I'm going to college. Higher ed is a gold mine. It's a whole community in one. Personal information, medical records, and financial data. Oh, and I love first-year students. Most have never even heard of cybersecurity threats. It's pretty easy to stay under the radar when I can pass off as anyone from student to faculty or even staff. Just what I thought. You need swipe access to get in.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have to get into the building, but I forgot my badge. You think you could swipe me in?
Sure, no problem. Well, see, the thing is, usually I'd have to ask you to sign in, but, well, hey, you look like a pretty trustworthy guy.
Sure. I need a listen.
It's so beautiful. It would look even better with a little malware. Lucky for me, they didn't take 2 seconds to log out.
Install!